كبير في مرفأ بيروت.
لا يا عذرا البناية يا عذرا انفجار
On Lebanon, you called this an attack. Are you confident that this was an attack and not an accident?
Well, it would seem like it based on the explosion. I've met with some of our great generals, and they just seemed to feel that it was. This was not a some kind of a manufacturing explosion type of event. This was a seems to be, according to them, they would know better than I would, but they seem to think it was a attack. It was a bomb of some kind, yes.
Lebanon's president says the cause is still unknown, and as Crystal Gamansing reports, he's hinting, without providing any evidence, of something more nefarious than negligence.
Scorched and twisted metal as far as the eye can see. This is what international search crews are facing. Questions about the cause of the devastation and destruction taking a new turn. The Lebanese president is now adding the possibility of a missile or bomb, asking France for satellite help to determine if there were warplanes in the air at the time. Michel Aoun says the cause has not yet been determined and that the international community doesn't need to get involved.
بهيروشيما وناكازاكي هذا يذكرني ما شفت بحياتي دمار بهالكبر وبهالوسع وبهالنكبة هيدي نكبة وطنية.
This video, now looking at the videos we've seen come out of Beirut, it looks strikingly similar in the aftermath. See this?
That's 7 months ago?
7 months ago. And what caught that was the shockwave was what shocked me. I haven't seen a shockwave like that before. It's very distinctive.
Until today.
It's very distinctive.
Yeah, it's the same shape. Everything looks identical.
It looks like an air bubble coming up and then dissipating. That's exactly what we saw in Beirut.
Like a low-yield nuclear blast.
Yes, and the Israelis and Americans refer to this as bunker busters.